Hello and Assalamu alaikum. I'm Nazia Amir and going to discuss new topic which is skills for successful secretary, which is a little bit different from administrative skills. Definition of secretary: a person who is hired by an individual or an office to assist in the correspondence, keep records updated, make appointment and other works related to their job requirement. Qualities of a successful secretary: good communication skills, positive attitude, dependency, trustworthiness, initiative, organizational abilities, professional image. Good communication skills: obtaining and giving feedback, interpersonal communication skills, active listening skills, assertiveness, non-verbal communication, adapting the style of communication to the audience, telephone courtesy, managing conflicts in case of difficult situation. Positive attitude: friendly personality, quality of work, loyalty to institution, committed to be institutional objective. Dependability: should maintain a good attendance record and strive to be punctual. Staying late or missing an occasional lunch to finish a rush job or accepting duties that are not part of your regular workloads. Delivering on time, meeting deadlines. Trustworthiness: handling confidential documents, keeping up with changes in the policies, discretion in disclosing confidential information. Initiative: should know what can be done and what one should do without being told. Must have the confidence and expertise. Organizational abilities: must use judgment in establishing priorities, deciding the order of tasks that are prioritized. Should be able to deal with multiple assignments as they have to handle their work as well as that of their boss. Professional image: self-confidence, appearance, etiquette, knowledge of office procedures. Role of a secretary: here I am going to show the picture of a professional secretary. Secretary's grid: 9-1 task oriented, 1-9 people oriented, 1-1 uninvolved, 5-5 middle of the road, 9-9 involved. Now I am going to discuss one by one. 9-1 task oriented: seeks to dominate others and maintain control, motivated to win by proving to be smaller, more capable and more determined. Emphasis on willpower, considers competition as important, fear of making a mistake and losing control, non-appreciative of others for their efforts, ensures their job is done on time, does not have a strong relationship with colleagues. The second one is 1-9 people oriented, seeks to be friendly, gives attention to those who are left out, compliments people frequently for their efforts, seeks approval and acceptance, fear of being rejected, gains acceptance through doing whatever the boss and others ask. Number 3 is 1-1 uninvolved, expects little and gives little in return, less controversial, maintains distance with others, unemotional as far as people or work is concerned, neither warm nor cold, negative nor positive, prioritizes task over leisure, prefers to work alone than in a team. 5-5 middle of the road, believes in compromise, that is half loaf is better than none at all, accommodating, that is to get along you have to go along, believes in give and take, that is you stretch my back and I will stretch ours, seeks a sense of direction through finding out what the majority thinks or does, socially oriented, informal communication system in grapevine, use yes sir strategy while dealing with the boss. 9-9 involved, very participative, committed to their work, make positive contribution to the organizational goals, believe that whatever positive they do, they will get a positive return in terms of gratifying job. In case of failure, they feel discouraged and disappointed. Always dubious about ability to handle problems, people with very high morale. They don't believe in setting any record as long as the boss is happy. Here I am going to end my video. If you like my video, do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you get notified when I post new content. Thank you.